हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम सीखेंगे स्मॉल लेटर्स। स्मॉल लेटर्स वैसे तो बहुत इजी है, बट जब स्टार्टिंग में बच्चे एलकेजी में स्मॉल लेटर्स सीखते हैं तो दे आर फेसिंग ट्रबल। दे डोंट नो हाउ टू राइट लोअर केस लेटर्स एज वेल एज दे कांट रिकॉग्नाइज द लाइन्स प्रॉपरली। तो फ्रॉम बेसिक वी विल स्टार्ट स्मॉल लेटर. Already our kids in nursery they have learnt capital letters, means uppercase letters. They know very well how to draw uppercase letters. Now we will start lowercase letters. And my kindly request to all the moms, because due to COVID-19 schools are going online, and teachers individual they can't pay attention toward all the kids. They are doing their best, no doubt, but mom's responsibility nowadays double. So I hope mothers will cooperate. They will learn how to draw small letters and they will teach to their kids in proper way. So let's get started. Whenever kids are writing in 4-line copy, they are little confused कि how to use 4-line copy. So first of all we will clear these lines. In 4 lines, these 3 lines we are telling upper 3 lines. This in middle line, these 2 lines are called middle line, and this is lower 3 lines. So now we will start to write letters. We will start A, then A is we are writing always in middle line. Whenever we are writing A, so these two children we have to make simply C. Already they have learnt in nursery how to make C. In middle line, half circle we have to make, and they will draw simple line. First of all they will make small curve, then they will draw one line. Yes, it is our A. Now B you have to see. From upper first line we have to start one straight line. It is called standing line, and one curve we have to make in middle line. We have to take care while making this curve. We should touch upper line also and down line also. In that case you can learn very properly letters, and while writing words your writing will superb. So take care this thing. Touch the line properly. One standing line you have to draw for B, and one curve in middle line. It is called B. Lowercase letter B. Yes. Now C. How to draw C? You have to look. In middle line only we have to draw C. Already this shape we have made in A also. Yes. It is our C. Move. Only curve we have to make. Yes. It is C. Small letters C. Now let's ahead. We have to write D. One standing line we have to draw, and one curve. Yes. In curve we have to take care. In middle line proper curve we have to make, because some students what they are doing, they are simply drawing line and they are making like this. In this case what is happening, whenever we are writing any word, that time our writing is looking odd. तो प्लीज टेक केयर. आप ध्यान रखिए जब लिख रहे हैं स्टैंडिंग लाइन प्रॉपर वी हैव टू टच here also and here also. After that we have to make one curve. It is called D. Yes, got it. Now E, simple like C we have to make one curve, then here small circle. In this way if we will teach to child, then they will learn very properly. First C they will make, and upper side small circle. It is E. Now for writing I, what we will do for writing I? Sorry, after E what we will write? F. How to do F? Straight line, Then here we will move like this and line. Yes, in F also simply first we will draw line, then here curve, then cross the line. Yes, very simple. F, straight line. Kids are feeling problem to make F. First standing line, then curve, then this line you to cross. Middle first line you to cross. After that F, we will start G. G we are writing in lower three lines. Please take care. G we are writing in lower three lines. Straight line we have to draw. In middle line we have to make one circle. Sorry, we have to make one half circle. Then G. Yes. In lower three line we have to write G. Straight line. One curve. Here also one curve. And go ahead. It is called G. It is our small G. Yes. Look carefully. Write the line very properly. Upper side also, down side also. In that case, your letters will be look perfect. After G, we have to write H. One straight line. And from middle line, you have to make one curve in this manner. It is your proper H. If we will make like this, then it will look bad. Yes? So in proper manner, you have to draw H. Straight line. And from middle line, in middle line only you have to make this curve. H. Clear? It is H. Now I we will write. I is very simple. In middle line, one straight stroke you have to make and one dot, one standing line and point. Yes, it is called I. Now J you have to look. J, like G, we have written G in lower three lines. Now J also we will write in lower three lines. A straight line and move upper side one point. Yes, just opposite of F. In F also we have did this. In J also we have to make a straight line. Then from here move little bit and one dot. Clear? Straight line. Very slowly you have to make. When you will practice, you will be perfect. J. Now you have to look K. How to write K? K we are writing in upper three lines. 1, 2 and 3. Lines you have to take care please. Straight line. And K when we are writing, when uppercase K we are writing, then simply we are writing full K like this, in this manner. But when we are writing lowercase k, then what we will do? We have to make only in middle lines. In this manner, one big straight line in upper three lines, and when we are writing these strokes, then in middle lines only. Clear? In this manner we have to write K. Now L, how to write L? One straight line among upper three lines. One straight line among upper three lines. Yes, it is L. Clear? Now we have to go on M. How to write M? M we will write in middle lines. M we will write in middle lines. So M, many students are feeling problem. Only this shape you have to make. Then after one move, two moves. Clear? This first step. Then from upper side, second step. Then from here only, third step. It is our M. Look carefully. M. Many students are feeling problem to make M. Yes, it is M. And N also we are writing like this. Here two movements are there. And in N we have to move one time only. In this manner. Yes, look carefully. If you will look look carefully, then you will draw very nicely. Yes, and clear? Now O, simply in middle line you have to make circle. It is O. In middle line only you have to make circle. It is called O. When capital letters we are writing, then we are writing all the letters among upward 3 lines. But whenever lowercase letters we are writing, so that are in different lines we are writing. Now P you have to look. P we are writing in lower 3 lines. One straight line we have to draw. Then after, what we have to do? In middle line we will make one curve. Yes? One straight line. In middle line only we have to draw one curve. Clear? Yes. Now Q you have to look. Just opposite of P, we will write Q. This way. One straight line we will draw in lower 3 lines, and in middle line we have to draw one curve. It is called Q. Now R you have to see. R we are writing in 2 ways. It is also correct and this is also correct. In this R, students are facing little problem. That's why we are making this R. In middle line we have to make simply this curve we have to draw. Then from here we have to move upward in curve, then move little bit and go upwards. It is R. Okay. Now S, simple half circle we have to make. One in this direction and second just opposite direction. Yes, it is lowercase letters S. What is this? S. Try to make very properly letters. In that case, your writing will be very nice. T you have to look now. Straight line. In upper 3 lines T we are writing. One straight line and one slipping line. Straight line, slipping line, and cross the middle line in this way. It is called T. What we are calling to this? T. Now U you have to see. U we will write in middle line. Just curve only. Upward curve you have to draw. It is U. From in middle line only we have to write upward. Yes, it is called U. Now V, simply one slanting line here, one slanting line here. It is called V. Yes, it is very simple. We will write V and U both in middle lines. W, in same manner like U, in middle line we have to write this W. Clear? Okay. X, you have to look X. Simply one cross we have to make slanting line, another slanting line right and slanting line left. It is called X. Now in lower 3 lines we have to draw one slanting line for Y, and from here we have to draw one more slanting line. It is called Y. One slanting line and here one more slanting line. Yes, it is called Y. Now our last letter is Z. What we have to draw for Z? One slipping line. In middle line only we have to draw Z, and one line you have to draw downside. In that case your Z will be very proper. 2 slipping lines you have to draw and match from last corner to this first corner. 2 slipping line we have to make. From this last corner we have to add this first corner. It is called Z. So that letters are very easy. You have to try to learn very properly. All the best.